there.
Hello.
Okay, we're gonna put these awning pieces up here. It's an awning mount for the side of the bus. I made this piece as a template. It matches that right there. Took this to the local welding shop, got them to bend it, and we're gonna try and put one piece up there. We got a tough guy with muscles over here. And
Me.
the boss with muscles over there.
Muscles.
The what muscles?
Less muscles.
Less muscles. Oh. Okay, you guys are gonna sit right there and you're gonna see us do this. So what we're gonna do is, when I bring this whole piece up here, we're gonna set it on here, but we're gonna have that as the spacer. It's gonna come right there. Okay?
Okay.
So we just need to sit down there. This will sit right there.
And we need to hold it up.
You can have that.
And I need that.
You can have that one. I'm still gonna help you. But we need to be careful not to drop it and don't let it go, okay?
Okay.
Okay?
And you have to marker it.
Can you get down for a second? I want to move you over a little bit. Okay. There's your end. Carefully. Let's move down a little more so we get up here. Okay, put it up there. Okay.
How far, what sure you have to move down a little bit.
Just put it against the side of the bus first, and then I'll figure out where it's gonna go. Right there.
Yeah.
We're gonna be just on this side of where that seam is.
It's kind of right on that yellow masky tape edge.
Is it? Okay.
Want to go further?
So if I let go of this,
Yep.
you guys got it? Don't push on up there, okay? If you need to, hold your hand in here, okay? Hold your hand in there. Got it? Nope.
Okay.
For sure?
Yeah.
You gotta be solid with it.
Okay, I think I'm solid.
You solid?
Yep.
For sure? Maybe? Miss Kaden, can you come over
It
here?
doesn't stay square very well.
I know.
Yeah, because that curved edge.
We need to hold everything in tight to the bus because this will just want to fall down
Oh,
underneath
it's
your
only
tubing.
the bottom.
Kaden, come here, please.
Yeah, got it.
Okay. You go inside.
Look, it's slipping.
You don't need gloves.
Why?
Just go inside. You just need to hold this up. You don't need gloves.
Hold on.
Slide this screen over.
My arm's getting tired.
So's mine.
This one hurts.
Okay, can you reach out here? Can you hang out here? You do that? Deal? You need to hold it with two hands, Ashton. Okay, that's all we got. Don't let it drop.
Okay.
You got it? Where do you go with yours? Yeah, that's probably good right there. Sure. Let me get a drill here. It'll be quick. I'm gonna do this in first. Because Grandma's tougher than you guys. Oh. Hang on to this.
Yeah, dying over here.
You're dying too?
Yeah.
Oh.
Super
Okay,
heavy.
move
Well, it's
this.
just awkward.
Let go.
Would clamps reach up there, Grandpa?
Okay, you hold this part. I got this. Grandma, you got it back where it was?
I was thinking of clamps.
Is it back where it was, Grandma?
Is it good?
Yes.
Okay, just stay there. Yes, you're good?
Yeah.
I'm hurrying. Caden, here. Put that on the ground in there.
There's some funny stuff.
Here's a nut. Do you see where that screw is?
No. It's in some. My arm.
Oh no, what's wrong with your arm? Oh.
Move your stool. I can't get out.
There you go, boss. There, it's one piece. Makes a flat edge to mount the awning to, and the little strip that holds the fabric. Right?
Great.
Right.
Now we just need to mark the.
Maybe later we'll put screws in there, but we'll only do that once because they're somewhat awkward.
Yeah.
Hey?
Yes.
Because you have to get your fingers in there really
Yeah.
tight. Like, yeah.
Well, that's one piece up there. I'll just fill in this end here. Maybe put a light on this end.
Oh, yes.
Then it extends the side of the bus and makes it flat for the awning to mount to. So I show the rest in a little bit. There, we got the piece up there that the awning's going to attach to. It's about 14 feet long, 15 feet long. That's what it is, matches the curve of the bus pretty closely. So we're going to put the awning on here next. And then drill some holes in here, put nuts on the inside, then I can just weld the nuts in there. We'll put filler plates on the end cap here, on the front and the rear. And the boss is out here. There she is. The boss is out here wrenching.
We're just loosening.
And did she find the tools all by herself?
She did.
Wow.
That end is this one.
Did you learn this from Ashton?
Yes, I did.
Yes. So that's the awning we're going to use. It needs a new tarp, but the rest of it's really good. So we're just going to use it. So we're going to take it off of here, fit it on the bus, and see what it looks like. And it will work out.
Yes, it will. It'll be good.
And there's the other one. Did you find them tools by yourself?
Yeah.
Did you show Grandma?
We need to.
We need a wrench.
No, we just probably
We
need
need
to
a
take the
wrench.
bottom section off.
We need a wrench.
He knows. Just listen to him. Okay. Well, you can see we got the awning on here. Got it off of the old motorhome. There's the front edge. Got that filler plate up there, cleat in place. It's not there permanently yet. Let's go up here and see in here. There, you can see what it looks like up there. This is the end, it's open still. We will fill these ends in, put some caps on here. The upper mounts that are mounted to here are 1/4-inch bolts, and I'm going to weld nuts on the inside. In there, I'm going to weld them nuts in so we can just simply bolt this back on when it comes time. I'm going to use all 4 holes up here. Now this is the exact same height off the ground as the motorhome was, so it works out pretty good. Looks good. It's going to look cool when it's painted. I don't know, it's going to look something like factory, I suppose, if there ever was one. And yeah, now I'm going to make these filler plates and then take off them panels, prep them for paint and primer, and put them back on, seal them. Okay, I made these little filler plates for the end here. See, that's open. I just made a little cardboard template. And I'm just going to tack it on here and here and here across the top. And then I'll take it off and fully weld it. That's what that'll look like. And anytime you're welding near windows, you need to cover them because sparks and grinding in windows don't get along very well. There's also going to be marker lights along here. I'm going to change out that one to be one of those as well. And then we'll have 5 more on the side here. And we're going to have, get this out of my pocket, LED lights right here under the awning, shining down. One here, one way down there at the other end. We can adjust them up and down. They'll be on separate switches, so you can turn one on or both on or whatever you want to do. Just a little bit of extra light in case it's dark out. And yeah, I'll go get the welder and tack these on, and then I'll take it down and fully weld them.